Most map embeds mean copying an iframe from somewhere else and hoping it fits. This one's just an element. Type an address and it's already showing streets, pins, the whole neighborhood. Let's see how it works. First up, in the settings, scroll down to integrations and paste your key in right here. One-time setup and every map on your site is ready to go. I'm on my contact page, and until now I've used an image for visitors to see where they can find me. Let's remove that and put a Google Maps element in its place instead. From the Add panel, I'll drop in a Google Maps element, and there it is. Now let's set it up. On the Settings panel on the right, there's an address/place field. I'll type in my address. And just like that, the map jumps straight there. Streets, landmarks, everything. Next, the zoom level. Right now it's set to 15, which gives us a nice street level view. I could go lower for something wider or higher to get right down to building level. I'll leave it at 15. Then map type. Right now it's road map. I can switch this to satellite for an aerial view instead. I'm fine with road map though, so let's cancel this. One more setting worth calling out. Lazy load. It's on by default, and I'll leave it that way. It means the map only loads once a visitor actually scrolls down to it, instead of loading right away with the rest of the page. Faster initial load, and no map request wasted on someone who never scrolls that far. Alright, now I'm not too happy with the look of this map. So let's head to the Style panel, scroll down, and I'll change the max height to 596 pixels. I'll also set overflow to hidden, and add a border radius. I'll use a style variable for this. Let's check out how it looks in the preview. And there it is. Right where visitors expect to find us, loading only when they need it. And that's it, a fully functional Google Maps element, built entirely in Mosaic. If this helped, drop a like, subscribe to the channel, and join our community. Links are in the description. See you in the next one.